Hey everybody, I'm Josh Barkey from MBRP. Today I have the Skidoo 850 Gen 5 platform with me, and I'm excited to show you the MBRP offering of snowmobile mufflers. Now before we get into the exhaust offering, I want to talk about MBRP's 25 years in the snowmobile exhaust industry. Over that time, we've spent thousands of hours dyno tuning, flow bench testing, and going through multiple design iterations to ensure that you get the best product for your snowmobile. Okay, now let's come back to the MBRP offering. All of these snowmobile mufflers come with a 2-year warranty, are made from T304 stainless steel, and are a simple bolt-on with hand tools found in your garage. Before we talk about each and every one, I want to show you the big suitcase muffler that comes on the snowmobile. Now this thing does not flow very well. It's extremely heavy, and to be honest, it's not what you want to see when you open up your side panel. Let's put this thing off to the side and show you what MBRP has. When MBRP started snowmobile exhaust, we focused on performance, and that's where the race muffler comes into play. Now this muffler is high flowing, it has a very crisp, loud, aggressive sound to it, and it's great for those looking to get the absolute most out of their snowmobile. This muffler comes with laser cut bracketry, temp sensor port up top, gains you 3 horsepower, and saves you 9 pounds over the stock unit. Our second option is the trail muffler. Now this muffler is great for those looking to get more to their snowmobile without being overly aggressive. This muffler comes with the same great features as the race unit, such as laser cut bracketry and temp sensor up top, while giving the rider a nice deep low tone that's not over the top. Now this muffler gains you 2 horsepower and saves you 7 pounds over the stock muffler. Through testing of our race and trail muffler, MBRP has left a temp sensor port in the tube at the top of the muffler. Now because of this, MBRP has also included a temp sensor extension to ensure that this fits your Gen 5 chassis properly. Our third and final option is our quiet muffler. Now this muffler was designed because of some great customer feedback looking for something closer to stock sound level. This muffler comes with the same features as the other two that we spoke on, such as T304 stainless steel, laser cut bracketry, TIG welding, and a temp sensor port at the top of the muffler. This muffler is near stock dB level at idle while being 6 dB louder at wide open throttle. It gains you 1 horsepower and saves you 6 pounds over the stock unit. Now that we've gone over all 3 MBRP offerings, let's get these mufflers on the snowmobile, outside, and show you what they sound like. Hey everybody, we're outside the shop now with our Gen 5 platform. We're gonna take the stock unit off here, catch some sound clips. But before we do that, we wanna show the temp sensor, taking it off, feeding it through the back side of the case here, and ultimately how to put it onto the new MBRP muffler. Now that we have the stock unit out, we're going to take our temp sensor and unplug it from the port here attached to the snowmobile. So we're also going to pull this off so that we can feed it in behind with the MBRP temp sensor extension. Now we have the MBRP temp sensor extension plugged into the stock port. Now what we're going to do is feed this behind the case so that we can have it on the other side and plug our temp sensor back into this extension, so that we're ready to go for our new MBRP muffler. If you want to learn more about these mufflers or other products, be sure to go to mbrp.com. We'll see you out in the trail.